Boost your WordPress website's engagement and capture leads effortlessly by creating a stunning Mailerlite pop-up. First, log into your Mailerlite account and navigate to the website or form section. From there, select Create Form and choose the pop-up option. Mailerlite offers a range of pre-designed pop-up templates to get you started. Browse through them and pick the one that best suits your website style and your campaign's goals. You can also start from scratch if you prefer. Now, let's customize your pop-up. Click on any element within the template to edit the text, change colors to match your branding, adjust fonts, and even swap out images. You can also modify the call to action button to lead visitors to a specific offer or page. Next, we'll set the display rules for your pop-up. This is crucial for ensuring it appears at the right time and to the right audience. You can choose to show the pop-up on specific pages after a certain time delay, when a visitor is about to exit your site, or even after they scroll a certain percentage down the page. Crucially, make sure your pop-up is connected to the correct Mailerlite subscriber list. This ensures all newly captured emails are automatically added to your chosen mailing list, ready for your follow-up campaigns. To embed your pop-up onto your WordPress site, you'll need the Mailerlite official plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, search for Mailerlite, install, and activate it. Once the plugin is active, go to the Mailerlite plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard and connect your Mailerlite account by entering your API key. You can find your API key within your Mailerlite account under Developers. With the plugin connected, Mailerlite will automatically sync your created pop-ups. If you need to manually embed, find the integration or embed code within your Mailerlite pop-up settings and copy it. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Mailerlite plugin settings. If you copied code, paste it into the designated area. If the plugin syncs automatically, you should see your pop-up listed and ready to be activated or assigned to specific pages. And that's it. Your professional Mailerlite pop-up does now live on your WordPress website, ready to help you grow your email list and achieve your marketing goals.